Hey, this is Val Taylor, and I am picking collard greens and washing them. I've got a sink full of water and just white distilled vinegar in there. And the way you pick them is that you just fold them like that, and you just pick them down like that. And you put that in the water to clean it repeatedly. You go from here to the colander. Clean water again to the colander. Clean water again and you don't want to scrub them. That's not what you're trying to do. You let the dirt sink to the bottom. Colander. Clean water, colander. Do that 4 or 5 times. You can eat this. You can use it in your stocks. You can saute it and just eat it with onions and garlic. It's delicious. But don't throw this away. This is good eat. You can saute it with these greens. So which did you use to clean your greens? When I was a little girl, we actually did use dishwashing liquid to clean our greens, and we would have to wash them over and over and over and over again 9 to 10 times to get clean. Nowadays, vinegar is something that's new that everybody's using to clean the greens because they said using dishwashing liquid was disgusting. But ask around, ask your moms and your grandmoms, it really did happen with dishwashing liquid. And some people today even use salt to wash their greens. So all three of these products have been used